pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello guys, chopsticks are very simple. They are hard to operate. Let me just get my pair. They're just basically two sticks that are straight. You hold them like, first you want to get one chopstick like this. Then slide one in here. Maybe move that one back a little. Then you just move your pointer finger down a little. And they're just really hard at first, but once you get a hang of it.
Good job. And who eats with chopsticks?
Japanese people.
And who is the Japanese people?
My dad and me, not the cameraman.
Ma'am, cameraman.
Yeah, my dad cannot use chopsticks for the life of him, so he just brings spoons to Japanese people.
Restaurants.
Yeah, Japanese places.
But you're learning how to use them, aren't you?
Yeah, I have these really, I found, at this one place, there were some, like wooden chopsticks that were connected together. I just never disconnected them. Unconnected them. And you probably will get some hand cramps. So, yeah, but still pretty fun. Have a great day!